Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys what the ghost bear does in Grow a Garden. So it is a pet from the Halloween event. Here I have it in my garden. I'm just going to pick it up now. Pick up. Ghost bear. This is what it looks like. Super cute. It's like just like a bear wearing like a ghost costume. So basically it occasionally scares fruit and applies the spooky mutation. And it costed, I think, 70 candy corns. And yeah, that's pretty much it really. I just got this and I'm just going to place it in my garden so I can get the spooky mutation on my plants. So yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.